We needed a specialist that was world renowned to come and work with us, which is why we chose Impact.
Previously, what would have happened is we would have felt very much like we're engaging people. A director would have stepped up on stage to loud music, would have talked about the changes that were going to happen. The audience would have sit and listened, and then at the end of the day there'd have been a call to action, essentially sending people off to do the change.
What we recognised was our colleagues and our leaders needed more than just change, they needed support to carry on and develop the digital transformation that's required for the organisation. It's skills building, it's cultural change, but it's also a bottom-up approach to change management, which has not been the way that the co-ops historically approach change.
The huge investment from the co-op was to think about their people and the development of how they were going to communicate and work with change in their stores. We had honest conversation workshops and then one-to-one coaching support for every area manager at the co-op.
We've got 44,000 colleagues, so you've got to make sure that you're equipping the leaders with the right messaging, and we've seen that work fantastically well, and we've been able to sustain that as well, which has been critical for us.
We ran a series of consultant meetings where we worked alongside senior decision makers at the co-op to help influence how they thought about change. We then helped to co-design and create a series of change drops, we called them. So every quarter we would deliver these messages of change.
You know, we have achieved the business benefits in our first year, but not only that, much more. We've created an advocacy around change, so people actually want these events.
For somebody to actually say that they've been to a change event and that's the best event they've ever been to is really really quite fabulous.
The business benefits are huge. Working with Impact is about doing change with, not doing change to. It's as simple as that. You know, skill building, involving people in change, as opposed to, you know, corporate message, do this, do that, and active listening and involvement. You know, Impact and then an ecosystem around of active listening has made a real difference.